In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Asana. Whether you're managing routine projects or coordinating complex workflows, creating a template in Asana can save you time and ensure consistency across your tasks. Let's get started on this setup so that you can streamline your project management process. First things first, you'll want to begin by logging into your Asana account. If you're not already familiar with Asana, it's an incredible project management tool that fosters teamwork and organization. Once you're logged in, you have two choices: either create a new project from scratch or open an existing one that you'd like to turn into a template. If you opt for a new project, take the time to build out the structure that will work best for the tasks you frequently need to perform. On the other hand, opening an existing project allows you to simply refine a proven setup that you know works for your team. As you prepare your project, consider adding a variety of elements that will be standard in your template. These can include sections to categorize tasks, specific tasks, and even subtasks for detailed breakdowns. Custom fields such as those indicating priority, status, or type are vital for keeping tabs on your project's elements. If applicable, set dependencies and assign due dates to ensure that your workflow has a logical progression. Finally, while it's optional, you can assign tasks to team members, especially if certain responsibilities are consistent across projects. These components will shape your perfect setup for duplicating workflows efficiently. Once your project setup is finalized, it's time to save it as a template. In the top right corner of your project, look for the drop-down menu depicted by three dots and click on it. From here, select Save as Template. This step is crucial as it ensures that your hard work is preserved and can be reused with ease. Assign a clear and descriptive name to your template, something like Client Onboarding Template or Content Calendar, making it easily identifiable for future use. Add a description outlining how and when the template should be utilized by your team. Consider whether you want your template to be personal, visible only to you, or an organization template that's accessible to everyone in your workspace. Now that you have saved your project as a template, using it for future projects is simple. Click on Plus New Project and then choose Use a Template. From the template list, select the one you've saved. Instantly, Asana will create a new project with the same structure, saving you from reinventing the wheel each time. To make your template even more powerful,